Let's do some shopping first and then we will move to question number fifth. This is a very beautiful like pair of rain shoes. I want to buy it. So I have a friend with me. I asked her, what will be the cost of these? She said, maybe X dollars. So I said, okay, $2 plus or minus. So that means the range is like X dollars is the cost of it, and it can be $2 less or $2 most. This is such a experiment or the situation, life situation. So question fifth is exactly like it's going to be solved this way. Let's just move it down and read the question. An analyst collected data on the price of a carton of grape tomatoes and 30 locations selected at random in Uttar. The mean price of the carton of grape tomatoes in Uttar was estimated to be $4.23 with an associated margin of error of this much, right? That means maybe it's decimal 808 cents less or more. Which of the following is a plausible statement about the mean price of a carton of grape tomatoes for all locations that sell this product in Uttar? So 4.23 is like the estimated amount. It can be this much plus or it can be this much minus. Now, the skill tested here is that how you subtract or add decimals. The skill is that decimal should be below decimal and then you have to put the numbers. So it is like 1, 3, 4 decimal 3, 1, 2, 5, 1, 4 decimal 1, 5. That means in between this and this, that will be the cost. Now let's see the options. It is between this and this. Oh, seems to be right, but let's check other options also. It is either less than that or greater than that. No, no, no. They are giving us a range that it may lie $4.23 approximately, but this is the marginal error. So cost lies in between this is this. It's less than this, it's greater than this. No, so A is the right option. I hope you enjoyed this question. Okay. Question number 6. What value of x is the solution to the given equation? Okay, again it is about how we place decimals, subtracting decimal 26 on both sides. So if you see 8 minus 6 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So x is equal to 0.2. This is our answer. Simple. Let's move to question number 7. Out of the 300 seeds that were planted, 80% sprouted. How many of these seeds sprouted? That means in this question we have to find what is the 80% of 300. Now this is a question where you can have your own style, right? You can do it like 80% of 300. This is first style, right? First method. I'll do this question with 2 or 3 methods. So that is the first method. Like I am using the mathematical versions of the questions given. 80% of. Of is generally used for multiplication. 80% of 300 we have to calculate. So 2 zeros with 2 zeros, 240. First method. Now let's go with the second method where we use like equivalent fractions. If out of 100 there are 80, how many are there out of 300? So total over like sprouted. Here total is 300, how many sprouted? If total is 100, 80 are sprouted. If total is 300, how many are sprouted? So that is, let's say x. Now multiplying by 300 on both sides. Do you think it's any different from the first one? So again it's same. You end up at 240. Now third one is actually the shortcut, like the logical, the way. This one is an easy question. You can apply any method. But otherwise the third method I am going to do is kind of a skill or a strategy. 10% of any number, let's say 247. I have to calculate this. So just put decimal after first number, 24.7. That is 10% of this. And if I use that formula here, so what is 10% of 300? Right? That is 30. Simply 30. So what is 80%? That is 8 times of 30. Right? That is 240. So you can use any of the methods according to your convenience, which way you like the most. Do you like to change the words into mathematical impressions first? You like to use equivalent ratios second? You like to use these kind of shortcuts third, right? So just choose your style and solve.